Hello everyone and welcome to lesson number 30. Let's get started. Holiday, holiday. Christmas, Christmas. Easter, Easter. So the two most important holidays of the year in Europe are Christmas and Easter. Christmas is on the 24th of December and Easter is in spring, either in March or in April. So, what are the two most important holidays of the year in Europe? What are the two most important holidays of the year in Europe? The two most important holidays? The two most important holidays of the year in Europe are Christmas and Easter. When's Christmas? When's Christmas? Christmas is on. Christmas is on the 24th of December. When's Easter? When's Easter? Easter's in. Easter's in spring, either in March or in April. Full, full. Empty, empty. So, for example, before a meal, our stomach is empty. After a meal, our stomach is full. So, is this box empty? Is this box empty? No, this box. No, this box isn't empty, it's full. Are your pockets full of money? Are your pockets full of money? No, my pockets. No, my pockets aren't full of money, they're empty. Is your stomach empty after a large meal? Is your stomach empty after a large meal? No, my stomach. No, my stomach isn't empty after a large meal, it's full. Are the streets full of people during the night? Are the streets full of people during the night? No, the streets. No, the streets aren't full of people during the night, they're empty. Moon, moon. Star, star. So the moon is the white shining thing in the sky during the night, and stars are the little shining things in the sky during the night. So, can we see the sun in the sky during the night? Can we see the sun in the sky during the night? No, we can't. No, we can't see the sun in the sky during the night, but we can see the moon and the stars. What color is the moon? What color is the moon? The moon is white. Can we count the stars? Can we count the stars? No, we can't. No, we can't count the stars. Subject, subject. Mathematics, mathematics. History, history. Geography, geography. So, in the subject of mathematics, we learn how to count. For example, 1 plus 1 is 2. In the subject of history, we learn about our past. And in the subject of geography, we learn about cities, countries, about the rivers, etc. So, of these three subjects, mathematics, history and geography, which do you like the most? Of these three subjects, mathematics, history and geography, which do you like the most of those three subjects? Of those three subjects, mathematics, history and geography, I like geography the most. About how many subjects must children generally study at school? About how many subjects must children generally study at school? Children must study about 5-6 subjects at school. Do you like the subject of mathematics? Do you like the subject of mathematics? No, I don't. No, I don't like the subject of mathematics. Wash, wash. Dress, dress. Soap, soap. Shampoo, shampoo. So wash means this. We can wash our hands, for example. Dress means to put on clothes. Soap is, for example, this, if you can see, soap. And shampoo is this. It's what we use to wash our hair. So, what do we do when we get up in the morning? What do we do when we get up in the morning? We dress. We dress and wash when we get up in the morning. Do you dress before washing? Do you dress before washing? No, I don't. No, I don't dress before washing. What do we wash our hands with? What do we wash our hands with? We wash our hands with a soap. What do we wash our hair with? What do we wash our hair with? We wash our hair. We wash our hair with shampoo. Hot, hot. Warm, warm. Cool, cool. Cold, cold. Finland, Finland. One of the. So, in Africa, it's hot. In Italy, it's warm. In England, it's cool. And in Finland, it's cold. For example, in England, it's cold in winter, it's cool in autumn, it's warm in spring, and it's hot in summer. Is it hot in Finland? Is it hot in Finland? No, it isn't. No, it isn't hot in Finland, it's cold. Is it warm in autumn? Is it warm in autumn? No, it isn't. No, it isn't warm in autumn, it's cool. Is it hotter in winter than in summer? Is it hotter in winter than in summer? No, it isn't. No, it isn't hotter in winter than in summer, it's colder. After the words one of the, we use a plural noun. For example, Paris is one of the largest cities in the world. So now tell me, which is one of the hottest countries in the world? Which is one of the hottest countries in the world? India is? India is one of the hottest countries in the world. Now, which country is one of the coldest countries in the world? Which is one of the coldest countries in the world? Finland is? Finland is one of the coldest countries in the world. Now, is it as hot in Scandinavia as in Spain? Is it as hot in Scandinavia as in Spain? No, it isn't. No, it isn't as hot in Scandinavia as in Spain. It's colder than in Spain. Taste, taste. So, we use the verb taste when we put food in our mouth and we see if the food is good or not. So, do you like the taste of tea without sugar? Do you like the taste of tea without sugar? Yes, I like. Yes, I like the taste of tea without sugar. What do we taste with? What do we taste with? We taste with our tongues. As many as. As many as. As much as. As much as. So, we use as many as and as much as with nouns. For example, I have as many fingers on my left hand as on my right. 5 and 5, the same amount. Or for example, I eat as much meat and bread. Again, the same amount. We use as many as with things we can count, like 1, 2, 3, and as much as with things we cannot count. So now tell me, what's the difference between as many as and as much as? What's the difference between as many as and as much as? The difference between as many as and as much as is that as many as we use with things we can count, whereas we use as much as with things we cannot count. So, have I got as many fingers on my left hand as on my right? Have I got as many fingers on my left hand as on my right? Yes, you have. Yes, you have as many fingers on your left hand as on your right. And do you eat as much food for dinner as you do for lunch? Do you eat as much food for dinner as you do for lunch? Yes, I do. Yes, I eat as much food for dinner as I do for lunch. Have we got as many feet as fingers? Have we got as many feet as fingers? No, we don't. No, we don't have as many feet as fingers. We have fewer feet than fingers. Do you drink as much fruit juice as water? Do you drink as much fruit juice as water? No, I don't. No, I don't drink as much fruit juice as water. I drink less fruit juice than water. Do you think you read as many books as your father and mother? Do you think you read as many books as your father and mother? Yes, I think. Yes, I think I read as many books as my father and mother. This is the end of the lesson number 30. Thank you for your attention and good job.